such an impactful speech. We all know what to do now. You know what to do? If you see a bird stuck, what are you going to do? It's okay if you don't know. We have the helpline on our beautiful kite mate. Can you all see the kite in your hand? You can see the helpline there. That's the number. Please hit them up. They will guide you what's to be done. Get on a call and they will guide you well. I would also like to remind all of you, for whoever hasn't had the refreshments, please do take the refreshments and leave. Moving on to the facilitation now. Calling upon Abhishek Narayan ji, HCL Foundation Lead Animal Welfare, to please felicitate our chief guests, Suvarna ma'am and Shankaran sir. Please come on stage, ma'am and sir. Blue bird on my right. Yes. Thank you so much, Suvarna ma'am. Such a pleasure having you here with us. Everyone, can we have a big round of applause, please? From the entire community of AWCS and HCL, Shankaran sir, thank you. Come on, we can do better than this. Yes, that's it. Great energy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Please take your seats. Would like to call upon Pranshul Jain ji from HCL Tech Core Volunteer. Please come forward to facilitate. Have you on stage? And Shitaja ma'am, please. Thank you so much for joining us today, ma'am. Thank you. Come on, big round of applause. Some more birds singing on the back now. Can I hear it? Yes, bring it on. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for coming today and ordering this space with your energy. That's a high five. Thank you so much. So big round of applause one more time for our beautiful guests here. Thank you. I'd like to call upon Mahendra Kasulaji from HCL Foundation, Hyderabad in charge, to please felicitate Raghuveer ji and Shri Kumari ji. Please come on stage, Raghuveer ji and Shri Kumari ji. We'll hear it for them. A big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us today. Such a pleasure to have you here. And Shri Kumari ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All right, with this, I'd like to call upon Shashi Kiran ji, Shashi Kiran Tikka ji on stage to please felicitate Shantanu Basu ji and
all animals need to be liberated.
That's lovely. Can we all put a hand up for that one time like this? Make a fist and put your hand up like this. Awesome. Thank you. Let's hear it for Shantanu Basu. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. Let's hear it. Come on. Big round of applause for sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, thank you. Please take your seats. I'd like to call upon Pradeep ji to please felicitate Shashi Kiran ji on stage. Pradeep ji, yes. All right, this is the last one. Come on, make some noise, everyone. Put your hands up and share your energy with the warriors on stage right here. With this, I'd like to call upon all the volunteers from AWCS. Please join us on stage. All the volunteers, please join us. They've been up from such a long time. Please come over the stage. Join us, please. In the front of the stage, please. All the volunteers. Can we hear it for them? One more time, everybody. You enjoyed the meal? Yes, then make some noise. Did you enjoy the lemonade? It's thanks to all of them, all the people on the stalls, the AWCS stall, the Women Empowerment stall, the Sustainable Kite Flying stall. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Now that's what we're talking about. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here today. Everyone's presence has added so much energy. We would like thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us here today. And to end our show, we have a small video for you. All eyes towards the screen. And then If you're lucky, you can get some more lemonade. I'm going for one. In my steel glass, no single-use plastic. All eyes over the screen, please. Last 2 minutes and we are done.